Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I would use Numicon to teach my daughter, who was almost 5, how to create number bonds to 10. Please like, subscribe and share. Enjoy the video. This is the number 10, right? There are lots of different ways of making the number 10, okay? I'm going to show you one way, okay? And then we're going to find a way together, and then you're going to do one on your own. You ready? Okay, so if I wanted to make the number 10, I could have the number 5, and I can use some more of my shapes here, and I could put 2 5s together, and that makes 10, okay? Right, so 5 plus 5 equals what?
I can also do one with my hands. 10.
Good job, okay. Let's find one more way, okay? If I have the number 10, what's another way that we can make the number 10 without using the same ones? What's another way that we could make the number 10? Let me show you one way. Just listen. Okay, you want to do it, no problem. 6, and what other shape? Wow. Okay, can I do one now? Yeah? All right, if I was making the number 10, I would maybe use the number 7. Okay.
And number 3.
And the number 3. So 7 plus 3 equals what? 10. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a challenge now. You ready? Yeah. I want you to find 2 more different ways of making the number 10. And you can use any numbers that you like. You ready? What numbers do you have?
2 and 1, 2.
No, so you have, this is 2. And what number do you have?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 also makes 10. Okay, all right, one more. Another way of making 10. You can use as many different shapes as you want. This is where you get to be creative. Oh, she's got more than 1 3. Okay, let's see what she's going to do. Okay. Okay, perfect, well done. Okay, so talk me through it. What do you have? We have 1 3, so 3, 3, and 1. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals
10.
High five. Okay, good job, well done.